Exercise Ebibuuzo. Exercise Ebibuuzo. Identify subject, verb, and object in these sentences. Identify subject, verb, and object in these sentences. Number 1. Tom is dancing shoki. Tom is dancing shoki. Once again, Tom is dancing shoki. And can you identify the subject, the verb, and the object? Hope you can. What is the subject? Yes, Tom. And the verb? Dancing. Okay. Object is shoki. And we looked at identifying subject, verb, and object in my previous video. And can you translate this in Luganda? Okay, and what's the answer? Tom azina shoki. Tom azina shoki. Okay, let's proceed. She is reading books. She is reading books. And what's the subject? Verb, object. Okay, she, subject, reading is the verb, object is books. Okay, and what's this in Luganda? Can you translate that in Luganda? Okay, ye ali mukusoma bitabo. Ye ali mukusoma bitabo. Because bitabo stands in for plural of books. If it was one, it would be ekitabo. Okay. Ali is cooking food. Ali is cooking food. And what's the subject? Object? Verb? Okay. And what's this in Luganda? Ali mukufumba emmere. Ali mukufumba emmere. Okay, let's proceed. Translate correctly. Translate correctly. Kyusa emboozi bulungi. Kyusa emboozi bulungi. Kyusa emboozi bulungi. Okay, number 1. She was crying all day. She was crying all day. Once again, she was crying all day. And what's this in Luganda? Can you translate it, please? Okay, send your answer in the description box such that we correct what you've translated. She was crying all day. Okay, number 2. I cannot drink beer. I cannot drink beer. Once again, I cannot drink beer. And can you translate this in Luganda? Okay, and what's the answer? Please send the answer in the message box such that we see what you've written down. Okay, let's proceed. She likes soccer a lot. She likes soccer a lot. One more time. She likes soccer a lot. Soccer is omupiira ogw'ebigere. So she likes soccer a lot. And what's the sentence in Luganda? Please write the answer in the message box. Okay, let's proceed. Fishing is a good activity. Fishing is a good activity. One more time. Fishing is a good activity. Fishing in Luganda is okuvuba. Okuvuba. Okay, you can write your answer in the message box. So fishing is a good activity. Write that answer down as you translate it to Luganda. Okay, They are bad people. They are bad people. One more time. They are bad people. And what's the answer, please, in Luganda? Bad people is abantu ababi. Abantu ababi. So write the answer in the message box. Okay, that is it in this video. Bye bye. Wait about.